Hey guys, if you're just new to this channel, my name is Mike Fixicardi, and this is going to be a montage of the rebuild on my totaled Subaru WRX that I got from Copart Auction a few months ago. This is my first time rebuilding a totaled car, and let me say, I learned a lot during this experience, and I hope to take those lessons with me on future builds. Now, this car was hit really hard, so hard that it bent the frame rail on the passenger side and destroyed the rad support. I am extremely happy with how this build turned out, and this car is so much fun. This is my first Subaru, and if you've been following me, you know that this isn't my only Subaru because now I have a little bit of a Subaru addiction. So enjoy this quick montage of the entire build series of my Subaru WRX. How beautiful did this car turn out, guys? Really, you would never know that this car was in an accident, and it drives incredible. The entire front end of this car is brand new, and all the paint from the hood all the way through to the doors has been blended perfectly. This car looks incredible, drives incredible. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another episode, because this is the first of many builds for me, and I want you all along for the ride.